ABS-CBN Network. Ang babaeng minister
ano po, mga bakla na ito. Inay po.
Tawag-tawag na
Krista po sa amin sa Bisaya.
binibining Señorita Angel Locsin. At si Angel Locsin po nag-iwan ng isang simple na sabihan that the greatest glory of life is not just about winning. It's about rising every time you fall. Audience, judges, from the bottom of my heart, I love you all. Pak-pak semua.
Inay po, inay.
Ang di mo pakpak, masunugan palay. Ang di mo syakit, makaigit. Mahirap magpakalalaki kung sadyang di ka naman tunay na lalaki. Sa kabilang kamay naman, mahirap ang magpakababae kung sadyang di ka naman tunay na babae. Subalit pagkos na tabuan, ang pinakamahirap sa lahat ay ang magpakatao. Kung di mo naman nire-respeto at minamahal ang kapwa mo tao. The physical attribute of a person eventually change, but the goodness of the heart will remain in a lifetime. That's why I firmly believe that one should be careful with your thought. Because your thought may become your words, and your words may become your actions, and your actions may become your personality that will broach you in the interregnum destiny. Buenos dias, señoritas el caballeros, or should I say, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The labor that fascinated your eye at the moment was baptized with the Christian Roman and the Catholic name of Mikhail Nakabalik Paulo Rodriguez, a 19 years old scholar, a currently second-year student from the Province State University, taking the Bachelor of Arts in Communication. But since tonight, this is a celebration of the social acceptance of the human diversity. Please allow me to introduce my feminine name. Ako po ang babaeng galing pa sa langit, binagsak sa lupa. At ang babaeng bumihag sa pilikang puso ni Mr. Tindong Tantes. Pati po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-isang binibining senyorita, Miss Marian Rivera. Binibining Marian Rivera ang nagsasabi, kung ang iyong anak gihupa, pakan ang putilyang buwak. Huwag tang hupa, tikpak iyong anak. Good evening. Hep hep, hooray, Sabes Amar Amari. If you want to love, learn how to love. In front of you is a 24 years old stunner, baptized in the Roman Catholic Church by the name of Dada Consolacion, saying, it's not the crown who needs to be, but a queen who needs the crown. Ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, because your candidate number 8 will be right back. Thank you.
Kanya ako, murag babae. babae niyo.
My mother was asked to throw me because I am gay. But my mother took a stand for me. That is why I am standing here today. My struggle of coming this far makes me believe that no matter where we came from and what we are told by the society, we can be anything who we want to be like, with courage, determination, and perseverance. Ladies and gentlemen, standing before your eyes was baptized with the Roman Catholic name of Mr. Jairo Tipas Agunos, a 27 years old sinner, hailing all the way from the beautiful municipality of Catbalogan, province of Samar. But tonight, please, do allow me to stand by the knee of your once sexiest Chinica princess, ang nag-iisang binibining senyorita na magsasabing manalo o matalo sa patimpalak nito ang inyong muntinyawan, sigawan at palakpakan po ang magsasabing tropeyo ko pag-uwi sa kanyang tintakan sa Catbalogan Summer.
Catbalogan Summer.
Audience and judges, from the bottom of my heart, inigog ako kamutanan. Advance happy fiesta and may God bless us all. Thank you so much.
Paano magsisimulan kung walang palakpakan? At paano magaganahan kung walang iyawan? Iyan! Ang hindi papalakpak at hindi sisigaw, hindi magkakajowa! Mga kuto-kuto. It's very hard until you don't have to introduce yourself. Standing in front of your naked eyes is the most natural candidate of them all. Wala we're talking. No surgery, no injections, no hormones, never been touched, and never been kissed. In short, virgin pa sa tanang virgin. By the way, I am Neil Agustin Lingko, a 20-year-old stunner, a student journalist, a University of the Philippines qualifier, a high school valedictorian from Tukdao National High School, and now a third-year college student currently pursuing Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Filipino, a consistent university scholar. I am, by the way, your newly crowned Miss Gay Law of Queen 2024, Queen Advocacy Eastern Visayas 2024, and your Queen 4-H Philippines 2024, crowned in Siargao Island, Surigao del Norte. Proud, coming all the way from the land of the champions, USA, Ongare, Sitio, Anas, Inco, ayan, Bila gusto nyo po na nagsasabi, bakla, badi, o charin-charin. Amin ang gabing ito, paghahanga lamang namin kayo. Dahil kailanman, ang mga baklang pinagtatawanan nyo sa pangumagahan ay ngayong gabi, inyong pinapalakpakan. Happy Fiesta once again, Barangay All! I love you all!
number 12. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll give you candidate number 12.
Hanggang dito na lang po tayo kasi alam ko makaka-copyright po ito.